Hey folks, Kelly here with Live Life Logically, and I have another product review for you. Today we are going to be testing out the Aro Trends Home Sweet Home Makeup Removal Towel. It's supposed to be chemical free and it's supposed to be magical. This is actually one of our giveaway items this week. We are giving away one of these towels. So I have to decide which color I'm actually going to try during this product review because the other towel is going to go to one lucky winner. So I ordered this on Amazon Prime with 2-day free shipping. It was $11.98. And again, it comes in pink and black, but you can also choose purple and pink. So I think what I'm gonna do, since we're gonna be giving away one of these towels, I'm going to choose black. That way we can see how much makeup comes off of my face. Basically, this is supposed to be a chemical-free way of removing makeup from your face. So you don't have to use soap or cleansers. It's supposed to be able to just wipe away all of that makeup. So there are a couple things that we have to do first. We have to wash the makeup towel before we actually use it on our face. And then once we wash it, we're just gonna wet it again and then wipe off whatever is on my face, which is a lot of makeup. So we'll see what happens. So let's see what's inside before we go ahead and do that. So I'll open it up. Again, this was $11.98. Came 2 days free Prime shipping from Amazon. So you get 2 little hair ties and then the towels. Oh, and they were so super soft. Oh man. It's like something you'd want to like sleep with. It's so soft. We're gonna do the black one though, because we are going to give away the pink one to one lucky winner during Freebie Fridays on Live Life Logically. So since I already have my hair tied up, I'm gonna give these 2 away as well. So I'll put that aside. And let's see, that's the size of it. And it has a little hangy thing so you can hang it up to dry. So I'm gonna go wash this and then we're going to see what we can take off my face without using cleansers or soap. Be back in a minute. Okay, so I have washed the black makeup magic towel. Apparently it is 100% microfiber, says that on the tag. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and do just like half of my face. You will notice that I lack eyebrows, so this eyebrow is gonna go. I just was not blessed with full thick eyebrows. And then I also have a lot of redness in my face. So you'll be able to see if this works. If it takes the makeup off, then hey, let's do it. Let's see if it works. Just a forewarning, no eyebrows and lots of redness and a little bit of breakout down here. All right, here we go. Both sides of the towel seem to be of the same consistency, the same, I don't know, they're the same. There it goes. There goes that eyebrow. This is the big question right here. Mascara. Now the mascara that I'm wearing is Voluminous Lash Paradise. This stuff doesn't come off easily, so this will be a big test. Do lipstick. I'm gonna look like the Joker. really does come off. The ultimate test is going to be in just a moment when I take a white cloth to my face. Okay, so you can see, obviously no makeup, makeup. And you can't see anything, like you really can't see anything. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab a white cloth and we're gonna see if all this makeup really did come off with this magical makeup remover cloth. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so I have a clean white cotton cloth that I'm going to apply to my face to see if the magic makeup removal cloth actually worked. This was so soft, like I did not feel like it was irritating my skin or rubbing too harshly against my skin, so that was actually pretty cool. This will actually feel like it's going to be rubbing harshly against my skin. So again, it is clean. Let's see what happens when we go over my face. Wow. Interestingly, not much at all. So the next thing I'm gonna do, this is my next test, is I'm going to take my Nu Skin LumiSpa and I'm going to go over this side of my face because that's like the all-time test for me, because that really gets into the pores. So if that doesn't show anything, then I'm gonna say this is a winner. So let me grab that, I'll be right back. All right, so this is the Nu Skin LumiSpa. I use this on the daily, morning and night, because I feel like it really helps cleanse my pores. But we wanna see if this microfiber makeup removal towel actually removed everything, so that maybe I don't have to use this. But let's check it out. Usually I do this for 2 minutes on my entire face. It goes in 30-second intervals, so chin, right side, left side, forehead. But we're just gonna do 1 minute, if that. Okay, so I just did one half of my face with the LumiSpa. Really not much. Typically when I wash my face and I use this, I typically use a makeup cloth remover, just like the throwaway ones, and I go over my face and then I use this, but I still get like a ton of, you can see like a ton of dark makeup. I'm not seeing too much. I mean, a little bit, like it's getting into the pores. So this is pretty interesting. It's interesting that one little cloth, I'm just wiping away the soap, one little cloth could do so much. So I don't really know. This is actually pretty cool. I feel like this is actually a good deal. You get 2 of these cloths and hair ties, and it definitely takes the makeup off of your face. And it's somewhat, you know, right up there with the LumiSpa by Nu Skin. Again, I think that this does get deeper into the pores than just a cloth, because you can still see, let me see, a little bit of makeup, just because this really vibrates and gets into the pores. But man, well, here's what I would do is I will still use my LumiSpa by Nu Skin, but instead of using those throwaway, you know, makeup towel removers, I'll use this instead and just remove my makeup, and then I'll use my LumiSpa. Totally. So let me know what you guys think. That's my product review on the Aro Trends Home Sweet Home Makeup Removal Towel, chemical-free, microfiber, 100% microfiber, and you can get it on Amazon, $11.98 with free 2-day Prime shipping, and you'll get 2 towels, 2 hair ties, black and pink or blue and purple. I will post all of the information, all the links underneath the description of this video. And as always, guys, please follow our YouTube channel as well as our social media channels. We are on Facebook, Live Life Logically. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, and then check out our website, livelifelogically.com, where we offer lots of different product reviews, such as this one, promo codes, coupons, discounts, recipes, feel-good news. And if you're on Facebook, check out our exclusive Daily Deals group by Live Life Logically, where every day we are sharing exclusive promo codes, sales, deals on everyday items that you might need for yourself and your family and your home. We help you make more logical consumer shopping decisions. So thanks guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next product review.